Hey guys, welcome back to Hustler Screen. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make money by simply receiving text messages. Before we get to the video, I just want to let you know that this method is not going to make you rich. You might make $100 to $300 from it. Don't expect to make $5,000, $2,000, $3,000 upwards using this method. But if you are someone who is interested in making up to $2,000, $5,000, $8,000, $10,000, stay tuned for my next videos because I'll be walking you through this process. Now you can make such huge amount of money online. Before I show you how you can make money by simply receiving text messages, I want to use this medium to tell you this method works in all countries and also in all Android devices. The only downside is that it doesn't support or doesn't work on iPhones. If you have family or friends who use Android phones, who you make use of Android devices, share this method with them. Share this method I'll be sharing with you with them, because this method is free and it's available worldwide. You don't need to pay any money, and this website allows all ages. There's no age restriction. The only way you can receive money from this website is through PayPal. For those of you who are countries that PayPal has been restricted, I have a package for you. I'll show you a method that you can use to create. I'll share with you a method that you can use to create and verify a PayPal account. But that will be after I show you the website that you can make money by simply receiving text messages. The name of this website is called macmoneyapp.com. Don't worry, I'll leave the link to that in the description below. That is macmoneyapp.com. And what this company does is that they send you messages on behalf of top companies like Google, Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, just to mention a few. And these companies, they actually pay them to send messages to people like you and I. What companies like Facebook, Google, Microsoft, Apple and others are trying to do is that they want to know, more like test, if their messages are being delivered to their clients, if their messages are being delivered. So they pay this company, which is they pay Mac Money, this company, to send us text messages, and in return the company pays us for receiving those messages. What this simply means is that it's just a way of them verifying if their messaging systems are working properly. And like I said, it's not going to be a huge money, but something very, very reasonable. And as you can see right here, Mac Money, earn money for receiving text messages, get paid real money for helping us improve worldwide communication. As you can see right here, what is Mac Money? By letting us send, as you can see, by letting us send text messages to your phone, you allow us to test and improve mobile operations. Simply put, you help mobile operators to work together, and not unimportant, each message you receive adds more money to your Mac Money bank. Real money. How to earn money with Mac Money? Download the Mac Money app on your Android phone. Follow the registration process. Any questions, read the FAQ. Verify your phone number and you are all set. We will send text SMS to your phone number from time to time. Every received text message add money to your balance. Cash out anytime after you hit the threshold. Get a bonus for every friend that you refer to the Mac Money app. More info in FAQ, which is frequently asked questions. As you can see, first step is to download the APK on your phone. The second step is to proceed the installation. Third step, register your phone number. Fourth step, receive SMS and make money. That's just it. It's as simple as that, guys. It's very, very simple for you to earn decent amount. Like I said, it's not going to be a huge amount, but it's something very on the reasonable side. It's something very reasonable, and you can make a lot of, like as you can see on the title, I made $108 using this method. So you definitely can also make money from this site. And the funniest thing is that I made that money within just a week plus using this website. Just a week plus, I made $108. So you definitely can make such an amount weekly. So depending on your network, and it's also if you are aware there's network access, so that you'll be receiving messages constantly. So guys, that's it. And for those who are countries that PayPal has been restricted, because for you to receive money on this website, you must have a verified PayPal account. For those who are in countries that PayPal isn't available, don't worry, I'll leave a video in the description box. I'll leave a link to a video that I made about how to create and verify a PayPal account for those who are countries that PayPal has been restricted. I'll leave a video on that in the description box video, so make sure to watch that video. And also guys, if you find the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and also share this video to friends and family who have been looking for means to make money online. Make sure to share this video with them so that they in turn can make money, can start making money online. Though it's not huge, but at least it's something very reasonable. And also guys, follow up on more, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be informed each time I upload a new video by YouTube, so you'll be the first to make use of every method that I'll be sharing, because I'll be giving I do share fresh methods, fresh strategies on how to make money online, so you'll be the first, and in turn be the first to make good money. That'll be all for today guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay safe.